This business model is secretly making people rich every single year, but barely anybody is talking about it. No ads, no products, no employees, just one single skill that you can learn that doesn't require any money up front, unlike with dropshipping or crypto. It's the same exact thing that took me from serving in the military to now being able to live and work from any country of my choice. And I'll walk you through exactly what it is, how it works, and how you can get started today in 4 simple steps. But first of all, what is up, homie? My name is Brendan Zadow-Hogan, and I went from making $8.25 an hour blending Blizzards at Dairy Queen to then serving in the military, where I began trying every possible way which promised making money online. From Amazon FBA to starting a marketing agency, which all failed miserably. It wasn't until I found remote high-ticket sales that I was able to leave the military and start living my dream life in my 20s. And in this video, I'll show you exactly how I was able to make it happen. So if you wanted to, then you could just copy me. And if you want a step-by-step guide with a 3-month action plan that you can implement immediately to start landing these high-ticket offers, then click the top link in the description down below and you can download that for free. But first, let's start with the model. With remote high-ticket sales, it's usually broken up between a high-ticket closer and an appointment setter. As an appointment setter, you would manage the inbox of a business owner's account in order to book in appointments for your sales team. That business owner will be running ads, posting call to actions, stories, creating content. People will reach out to that business owner looking to learn more about their product or service. And each time a new deal closes, you'd collect 5% commission as an appointment setter. As a high-ticket closer, you would then be taking these sales calls over Zoom and talking to prospects, warm leads that are booked on your calendar. Goal is to help them solve their problem. They will either have talked to the appointment setter before speaking with you, meaning they are pre-qualified and are on the call for a reason with a problem that they need to fix, or they will see an ad, watch a video, and then book in immediately straight into your calendar. You'll simply ask them questions and then decide whether or not your product is a good fit for them. And as a high-ticket closer, you then earn 10 to 15% commission for each deal that you help close, as it does take a little more skill, time, and of course you're taking the Zoom calls as opposed to just sending DMs from your phone as an appointment setter. The best part about it is you don't need to create a product, start some massive business. All you need to do is just plug into an already successful business in the online space that has a proven product and service. The internet is now making more millionaires than ever, and there has never been an easier time to get rich than today. And with this business model, all you have to do is place yourself in the middle of these already successful businesses, and you can start making money immediately just by taking some phone calls and talking to people. This gets you in rooms with millionaires because you are solving rich people problems, which is the problem of needing more money. Every business needs sales. Every business needs marketing. Without marketing, you have no sales calls. Without a salesperson taking these calls, the business owner does not have money coming in. This makes you valuable to important people. And if you learn sales and get into the rooms with the right people, I promise your life will change forever. This is by far the fastest skill to income path that has ever existed, and it is the easiest way to make your first $10,000 online. Now let's talk about the skill. Sales is not manipulation, it is transformation. You will learn to control conversations and guide them with curiosity, not pressure. The best part is you can choose areas and industries that align with your interests. For example, weight loss, business consulting, making money online, ghostwriting services, teaching people how to quit drinking alcohol. The list is endless. Once you learn how to sell, you will improve your relationships, you will learn how to communicate better, you will learn how to influence, and you will improve every area of your life. Let's move on to step 3, which is the market, because the who ultimately determines your earning potential. And what do I mean by this? When choosing the industry to work with, you should focus on coaching, consulting, marketing agencies, or really just any company with a product of $4,000 or more. And to find these business owners, consultants, and agencies, all you need to do is learn how to network intentionally. It's extremely simple. Just begin reaching out, providing value, and if you want a step-by-step guide on exactly how to do this and land your first high-ticket offer within 75 days, just click the top link in the description down below and you can have it for free. Step 4 is maximize. If you want to succeed, you must sleep, breathe, and eat sales. It's not easy, but it is simple. And you will go through a period where you're not seeing results, nothing seems to be working until it does. And getting through that period is the difference between people who succeed in this industry and people who do not. Because consistency beats talent when that talent is not consistent. And all you need to do to make this work is spend a minimum of 1 hour every single day learning about sales, whether it's reading sales books, listening to educational videos about sales, listening to podcasts, while driving on your way to work or to the gym, put it on the radio. If you make sales your life in the next 3 months, I guarantee you will see results. Join sales groups and find somebody that you can role play with daily, an accountability partner, or find a mentor and shortcut years of trial and error. I would suggest starting as an appointment setter or generating leads for these businesses, as it's the easiest way to get your foot in the door and learn the entire sales cycle with no risk to you other than, of course, some of your time. Most people spend their entire lives trying to make money and then spend the rest of their lives trying to buy back their time, when in reality, that's completely backwards. Because if you think about it, time is the only currency that matters. Money is just the receipt. And with remote high ticket sales, you can get a lot of receipts and buy a lot more time back. Subscribe for more videos like this one. Click here to watch another. See you next time.